Imagine this. The skies darken, the air feels unusual, and humanity stands on the brink of an uncertain future. It might sound like a blockbuster movie plot, but predicting the end of the world isn't just the stuff of fiction. For decades, scientists have studied catastrophic events that could lead to the end of life as we know it. But how close are we to these predictions becoming a reality? And what does science say about the fate of humanity? The concept of predicting the end of the world has been an enduring one. Today, these predictions often stem not from mysticism, but from hard scientific data. Astrophysicists, climate scientists, and geologists have outlined a variety of scenarios that could spell doom for the planet. And while some seem like distant possibilities, others are creeping dangerously close to an alarming reality. One of the most immediate threats lies in climate change. Scientists have warned that runaway global warming has the potential to disrupt ecosystems, trigger catastrophic weather events, and destabilize our food and water supplies. Sea levels are rising, hurricanes are intensifying, and heat waves are becoming deadly. No longer are these predictions for future generations. They're happening now, with a ticking clock narrowing the window to halt the damage. If unaddressed, could environmental collapse set off a chain of global chaos? Experts warn this scenario may not wipe humanity off the planet completely, but could create conditions so dire they bring civilization to its knees. What about outer space? Researchers keep a close eye on thousands of nearby asteroids that could theoretically collide with Earth. One massive asteroid, similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, could unleash enough energy to dwarf humanity's most powerful nuclear weapons combined. It's not a question of if, but when. Thankfully, organizations like NASA have developed initiatives like DART, designed to deflect potentially hazardous space rocks. But with only limited time to detect such dangers, a rogue asteroid remains a possible, albeit low-probability threat. There are other natural contenders for the endgame as well. Supervolcanoes. Beneath Yellowstone National Park lies a volcanic system capable of erupting with catastrophic consequences. An explosion of this magnitude could spew enough ash into the atmosphere to block sunlight, ushering in an artificial volcanic winter. Crops would fail worldwide, temperatures would plummet, and the global death toll could be staggering. And let's not forget human-made threats. From nuclear war to artificial intelligence gone awry, technology designed to improve our lives could also be our downfall. Some scientists warn that advancements in AI might one day spiral beyond our control, ushering in a singularity where machines determine the future without regard for humanity. So, does all of this mean we should panic? Not quite. While these scenarios do illustrate how we might meet our end, they also highlight how far science has come in understanding and possibly preventing these outcomes. Through collaborative research, innovation, and global cooperation, many of these so-called doomsday scenarios remain theoretical. And perhaps therein lies the greatest insight. Knowing the risks helps us prepare for them. The end of the world might be inevitable billions of years from now when the sun burns out, or as the universe continues its slow, mysterious expansion. But until then, humanity holds a powerful ability to shape its future. Whether by addressing climate change, investing in asteroid detection systems, or ensuring responsible innovation, we have the tools to push back against the edge of catastrophe. The question is, will we use them to secure not just our survival, but our legacy? Only time will tell.